Students on Ice, the program I was working with on the Shikalski, aims to do exactly this. What was the objective of this program, Students on Ice, where the students were being brought to Antarctica? The objective was this. By taking high school students to the ends of the world means Antarctica is at the bottom of the world, the southernmost part of the world, so it is called end of the world. They were taken to the ends of the world and providing them with inspiring educational opportunities. The objective was to provide them inspiring educational opportunities where they will have their first hand experience of the place and they will understand it better with their own experiences, which will help them foster a new understanding. They will develop a new understanding and respect for our planet, new understanding of holistic approach towards nature, taking Earth as a whole, respecting planet, not demonstrating dominance over other species, and the importance of sustainable development so that planet is saved. Not just about, overusing the natural resources. So they would have their own understanding with their own experiences and would respect the planet more. So it's been in operation for 6 years now, headed by Canadian Geoff Green, who got tired of carting celebrities and retired rich curiosity seekers who could only give back in a limited way. This Canadian Geoff Green got so tired of bringing the celebrities and retired rich people, those who used to come to Antarctica to kill their curiosity, just to know more about Antarctica. For their entertainment, they used to come. But they could not contribute much to solve the problems related to Antarctica or to the problems related to climate change, to Earth, and many other things. They had their own limitations. They could not give back much. So he felt that it would be of no use bringing such people there because they were not able to contribute to the problems, to find the solutions related to the present scenario of the place. With Students on Ice, he offers the future generation of policymakers a life-changing experience at an age when they are ready to absorb, learn, and most importantly, act. So he thought that students would be the better people to understand the problem to the core if they get first-hand experience. So under this program, Students on Ice, he brought children there to give them a life-changing experience. By getting experience themselves of the place, they would be able to understand and assimilate the problems related to the climate changes, global warming, and many other things. And they would become policymakers in future and would be able to adopt different strategies to bring in different policies to curb the problems related to environment. So they would be able to absorb, learn, and most importantly, act. So that was why he started bringing students to Antarctica in place of other people like celebrities and rich people, so that there would be contribution of the present generation to eradicate the problems of climate change, to eradicate the problems of Antarctica, to understand why Antarctica is important,